upload your videos here on YouTube with your smartphone. In this video, I am going to be teaching you the right way to upload your video. Are you not aware that for you to achieve the 8,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, you need to upload your videos the right way so that video can perform better and fetch you a lot of watch hours, a lot of subscribers and views. You will not just record a video and publish it like that. Now, most small YouTubers, because they don't know how to make use of the studio dashboard to upload their video, they ended up using this plus sign here on their YouTube app to publish their video. It is totally wrong for you to do that. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you how to upload your videos the right way using your smartphone. But if you are interested in this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Open your Chrome browser, okay, and then don't type YouTube Studio here. Look down this way. You see this 3-dot line. Click on this 3-dot line. Then you open this way. You click on this new tab, new incognito tab. Click on it, and then you can now type YouTube Studio. Okay, follow this process, YouTube Studio, and then you click on sign in and sign in with your email and password. Then you click on continue to studio. It will bring you into your YouTube Studio dashboard this way. Look at the top this way, okay, where you see all this icon. Click on create, choose upload video. All right, then it will bring you to this place. Then click on select file, okay, then choose file. Then it will take you to your gallery. You can now pick your video. Look at the video. I pick my video now. Next is to choose your video title. The first one there, title. Okay, so you put your title there. Yes, after putting your title, next is your description. Okay, put your video description. At the bottom of your video, you can put hashtag. Please select hashtag like 3, 4 or to 5 hashtag is enough. Put it there on your video description. Please don't forget. The next one is to click on thumbnail. You understand, to choose your thumbnail for your video. All right, so when you click on thumbnail, click on choose file. Now it will take you to your gallery so that you can pick your thumbnail. Yes, like something like this. Now pick your thumbnail and add your thumbnail. All right, then next is to click on this playlist so that you can add your playlist. Then I click on playlist. Now you can see my playlist, YouTube growth tips, because that is what this video is talking about. So I've added to my playlist. This is very, very important. Now you scroll up this way, you will see whether your video is meant for kids or not. Say no, this video is not for kids. Please don't forget to say it is not for kids, which is say no. Always say no, please, except your video is meant for kids, but here you will say no, it's not meant for kids. Then the next one you do is scroll up. Now this box paid promotion, don't tick it, because except someone paid you for promotion, do you understand? Leave it like that. The next one is this AI use. Does your video contain AI? If it's AI video, you cannot go ahead and say yes, but if it does not contain AI, you can leave it at no. Always say no, it does not contain AI. The next one now is your tag, your video tag. Please, very, very important. Now you have to add your tags, your video tag, according to what your video is saying. Do you understand? So it depends on what your video is saying. If you don't know how to add tags, go and ask ChatGPT to give you, explain your video to ChatGPT. It will give you a video tag. You can come and copy your tag from ChatGPT and place it here. Do you understand? Okay, the next one is this allow embedding. Make sure it's on. Then the second, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. If you know you're a small YouTuber that don't have subscriber, uncheck that box. Don't check it, please. Next is your video category, which is category. Please come here and make sure you always choose a category. If you're creating comedy, you can put it on comedy. Once you click on the box, the options will appear. You can now pick the best option for your whether educational video or comedy or anything. Please select the best option, okay, that is for your video. All right, look down, you will see next. Click on next so that it will take you to the next interface. All right, now this particular place is where you can use to recommend your other videos. Do you understand? This particular place is very, very important. That is the reason why I said you should always use your studio dashboard to upload your video, because it's only in this place you will see this. You will not see it when you use your studio app to upload video. Do you understand? So this place now where you will see subtitle, end screen and cards. Now you can click on end screen so that you want to use it to recommend your other video. All right, this is how this particular place work. Do you understand? When you click on end screen and add your other video, now have you seen people when their video finish playing, another of their video will display on the screen? That is the work of this, is where we normally come to activate it. So we are going to click on end screen. Click on elements. Look at element, that plus button element. Click on it. All right, now you will see video. Then click on video. Do you understand? Because it's your other video you want to recommend, you want to add. So you click on video. Then click on choose a specific video, because you want to choose the video. Now it will take you to your gallery. Then you can now select that particular video. All right, so you now pick a video that you want to recommend. It will take you to this your YouTube gallery. Just pick that particular video, just click on it. So when you select it, this is how it will appear on your screen. Now, are you seeing the one I selected? This is my next video. Now, if this particular video that I'm uploading now finish playing, this particular one will just show immediately. So if your viewer are interested, once they click it, they will now start watching audio of your video, and by so doing now, you will now be gathering more watch hour. Do you understand? So please always make sure you add end screen. End screen can help your videos perform better. Now, any video that have not been getting views, once you finish your video this way, recommend it here, so when people click on it, they will not start watching that particular video. Do you understand? All right, next is to click on cards. Okay, let's add another video in another way. Click on cards, then you will see this video. Click on video. Do you understand? Want to also recommend your other videos, so click on video. Now it will not take you to your studio like this way again to select a particular video. Do you understand? That end screen is totally different from this one, so but the two is doing same job. You can use it to recommend another video here, which is card. Select any of your video again from this place. Now when you select any of your video, it will appear this way on your screen. Whenever your video is playing, you understand, and anybody click on it, look at the video you just added there. Look at it, that small black something is the video. Whenever anybody click on that video, it will take them to go and watch this particular video that you just added. So it is very, very important. Now after that, you click on save to save what you've done. Look down this way, you are going to see next, and you click on next so that it will take you to the next interface. Yes, when you click on next, you will come to this particular place where you will ask to choose whether private or listed, public or schedule. Most people are usually very confused in this particular place, so for any reason, do not put your video on public immediately. So you need to either choose private or public. For me, I normally choose private, so I'll click on private. Do you understand? Now let me tell you one of the reasons why you should put your video on private. Now the reason is because you are giving YouTube enough time for them to cross check your video to know if there is an issue. They will just take time to analyze that video and then to know the people they will push this video to. Do you understand? But when you immediately put your video on public, maybe you've done series of mistakes on that video, it's going to affect you because already you've made that video public. Do you understand? So keep it on private. If there is any issue, you can come and correct it, but if you immediately hit on publish, if there is any issue, you cannot come and correct it at all. So that is the reason why we normally leave our video as private. So when you leave it as private, you do not tell you that okay, your private video is still uploading. Keep the browser lab open until uploading completes. Do you understand? So in this place now, you will see when you choose private, it will just be uploading this thing. Then when it's done, it will not tell you that okay, upload completed, that there is no issue found. Do you understand? All right, then after this place now, if you see that once it tell you that checks complete, no issues, click on close, then move to your YouTube studio. We're going to do something. Okay, then you come to your YouTube this way. You know that video was on private, we want to make it public, so you look for that particular video and click on this 3.9 here. All right, then you click on this edit advanced settings in studio. When you click on it, then you will see the video. Okay, you click on public, then you click on this visibility. Do you understand? Don't worry, because I already put my own on public, like I've uploaded the video before. So you click on this visibility. Do you understand? When you click on visibility, that's when you will now see the public, private and all that. Then you now select public. Look at it, public. You now remove it from a private and put it on public because we want to make it go public. Now after that, you click on save, then your video is ready. Please share this video.